Hello everyone, welcome to the next video of tachograph tutorials of Transport Info. Welcome to the next part of TTT. As I mentioned in the first part, one of the most difficult tests with following the rules of a tachograph is that you have to follow more than one piece of legislation at a time. And most likely, no one has taught you most of those rules. The fine, however, has to be paid by you if you make a mistake. To better understand what I'm talking about, I will give you a quick example. Suppose you have a ferry crossing, so you have to apply the ferry rules. Let's see which rules you need to know in order to apply and how to record it properly in the tachograph. Rule number 1. Let's take a look on rule number 1. The very first regulation you need to know is 561 from 2006, the first paragraph of Article 9 of which deals with the case of a vehicle transported by ferry. Rule number 2. Let's take a look on rule number 2. Some parts of Regulation 561 have been amended or supplemented by Regulation 1054 from 2020, which came with the mobility package. The 9th article has now been supplemented in addition to the daily regular rest. The reduced and the regular weekly rest can also be interrupted under certain conditions. So that was rule number 2. Let's see rule number 3. The next rule you need to know is the regulation governing the operation of the tachograph. An example is the 1228 from 2021, which specifies exactly how the tachograph should work. This shows you exactly how to interrupt the rest, so that is recorded as a ferry crossing event. It also specifies exactly when to turn on the ferry mode. I will show this on the device itself, be it a simulator like this or a real tachograph. Rule number 4. Let's see rule number 4. Last but not least, while the driver is working, in addition to the tachograph legislation, the rule for mobile workers must also be observed as it regulates the working hours of drivers. This is the Directive 15 from 2002, the European Parliament and of the Council on the organization of the working time of persons performing mobile road transport activities. So, if you count it well, you can see that a single activity is regulated by 4 regulations. If you don't know just one of these, you are in trouble. The point is you don't have to worry. As I promised, we will start with a series that will show you very slowly how to apply these rules through short videos. In the following sections, we begin with the definitions. These definitions and their precise interpretation are essential for the proper application of the relevant regulations. If we don't know these basics, we will not be able to build the knowledge we need. So, as we start learning, platforming is being set up soon, where further communication will be possible and where everyone can get more help, even more on the topic of transport, and where all the necessary material will be reached. As soon as the page is done, I will notify everyone here on the channel. So if you don't want to miss out on these videos and the launch of the new page, sign up for my YouTube channel. Remember, keep the money in your wallet, rather spend more on yourself. So take care and see you in the next video. Thanks.